Hey YouTube, this is Joanne coming to you today with 8 work from home job opportunities, and I'm going to tell you right now. Number 1 is AST, that's customer service. You must be able to work at with the automated dialer. So basically they're going to dial it for you, and you just got to pick up the phone and answer the phone. So you're going to be a customer service over the phone at $17 an hour. You must be able to handle large call volume. You must be able to deal with a lot of calling, because they're going to be is an automated dialer. So when they dial a number, is you got to pick up. It's going to dial to you, so you got to pick it up. Basically, you got to be maintaining a call center database by entering information. You must have experience with Microsoft offline applications. You must be able to understand Word, Excel, and Outlook. Those are the spreadsheets that they have, and this is a full-time position. You got to have strong verbal skills, and this is $17 to $18 an hour. Number 2 is called Education Lens. This is a tutoring. You're going to be a teacher for the children. It's $12 to $18 an hour. You must have your bachelor's or 40 hours of certification, college certification. You can teach kids or you can teach adults. And this is a tutoring position, $12 to $19 an hour. The other one, number 3, make sure you stay with me because I have 10. Okay? Number 3, it's called Warby Parker. This is in Nashville, Tennessee, because I do them all the states. I do them all. This was customer service rep. Assist customers via the phone and email, helping out with styling advice for the company. You get free eyewear up to 50% for just being, when you work with them, you get 50% off for your free eyewear. And they have a retirement savings plan, and it's $14 to $15 an hour. How awesome is that? The other one, number 4, is Daily Transcription Company. You're going to be a transcriptionist. You got at least type 50 words per minute. 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. This is in U.S. and Canada only. U.S. and Canada. That's number 4. Number 5 is Brain Fuse. It's an online writing. Well, you're going to be an online writing tutor. This is a contract position. You must have your bachelor's degree. Tutor social studies to children, history, government. You must be at least, or a Canadian social studies. You must at least know about that. Canadian social studies. The next one is Phoenix Medcom. It's a call center, remote call center. So you're going to be working from home. 1 year experience with medical terminology and calls. Terminology, when you make the calls, you got to know about the medical terminology. You got to know what you're talking about, basically. You need a non-satellite internet, like no direct TV. It's $13 to $14 an hour. The next one is called Purple Bricks Company. Purple Bricks. This is the name of the company. It's an inside sales rep in Arizona, New York, and Florida only. You must have an active real estate license, because you're going to be making sales through the phone. And you're going to be interacting with new customer service through the phone, email, and also live chatting. You got to get them excited about working for Purple Bricks. You got to get them excited. It's $18 and $20 an hour, and you get benefits and bonus for just, having somebody come to that company, and if they're interested and they make a sale, you get bonus and benefits, plus you get your pay. How awesome is that? The next one is called AL07. This is for another tutor, because they need tutors for the babies. They need the tutoring for the babies. It's a 4-year degree or a college or associate's degree. You could teach English to the students. That's going to be a job. And you must have a speedy internet, quiet home office, headset and webcam preferred. I mean, you need that to interact with the kids. And this is $15 to $22 an hour. The next one is called the chat shop. Chat. If you like to talk, this job is for you. This position is for you. Is you going to be a live chat agent? You must be able to type 80 words a minute and to work at least 20 to 40 hours a minute, 40 hours a week. So it's from part-time. They have part-time and full-time positions. 20 to 40 hours a week. So they got part-time position or full-time, whatever's preferred for whatever you like, they got it for you. This is $10 a $9 to $10 an hour. The next one is answering service care. That's the name of the company. And you're going to be an answer service operator. You must live within the commuting area of Margate, Florida. Because they're going to be training you on site, or through the phone. They're going to be training you, and they need you to be in this particular area, Margate, Florida. You need some college experience, but not required. If you have it, but good. If not, that's okay. You got at least type 25 words, up to 25 words per minute. And this is $11 an hour. But the last one is called Granite State M&R. Call Center Associate. You must live near Concord, New Hampshire. Assist students, and you got to assist the student loan, the people that the kids borrow from. You got to assist the loan borrowers by processing payments, answering questions related to the student loans, and you need a 1 to 2 year of customer service in this field. It's like a loaning service, and it's 15 hours, $15, $15 an hour, and bilingual applicants can receive more pay because they have more students. Spanish speaking students, they have more students. So if you're bilingual, that's awesome because you get more pay. English is good, but Spanish for this one, they'll pay you more if you speak English and Spanish. So those are the opportunities that I listed, and I will put those on the bottom for you. And I want to say thank you so much for coming to my channel. I totally appreciate you, and I just want to say, don't forget to share this video to help somebody out that is looking for a work from home job opportunity. I mean, you can share this. Please share it. If it can help anybody out, I would appreciate that. If you have friends that want to work from home, share this video with them, and you never know, they might be working like you at home. So yeah. And one more thing before you leave me, if you're interested in working, if you're interested in having your own website with your own name, your own brand name, or if you want just to start your own blog, make sure you sign up for Bluehost. This is a web hosting company, and if you sign up today for me giving you the advertising them, I will get a tiny bonus if you sign up today. So consider signing up today. And if you like this video, give me a big click and like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any work from home videos that I do in the future, you know, because I'm going to do probably another one for this week. I'm not sure, but if I find one, I'm going to do it. So just, you know, hit the like button, hit that big like, subscribe button so you don't miss anything I do. And I want to tell you, I totally appreciate you coming to my channel. And I truly hope that one of these work from home job opportunities that's going to help you in your struggle, if you having a struggle, because I know it's hard, you know. So that's why I want to bring this extra so we can get paid and make money. That's all I want. I want you to make that money so we can all get paid and generate income into our home, you know, because it's rough. It's not easy. With the government shutdown, that was hard for everybody, including myself, you know, because it's not easy. But you know what? All the work from home jobs is coming up, and I found a lot more. So I did my research, and that's what I did. I put them out there. So I'm gonna do the video. When I finish with the video, put the links on the bottom, and I'm gonna also put the Bluehost affiliate link. So if you sign up today, I get a tiny commission for you supporting my channel, supporting my hustle. And just make sure if you want, I would be more than happy if you share this video. Share the video to anybody, your friends, your family, anybody that wants to work from home. Share the video so we can all get paid. All right? I'm going to say thank you once again. I can't thank you enough. It means so much to me for you to just come to my channel and show love to my channel. I appreciate it. And I don't want to go on, but I just want you to know I totally appreciate the love that you show for my channel. Just by coming and see what I'm talking about. That means a lot to me. You have no idea. I can't say enough how much I appreciate you coming to my channel. And I want you to be a part of my family and share the video so everybody can get paid. Let's all get paid and make this money for the new year. All right? So enjoy the day. Be safe in these streets. And I'm going to say, I'll talk to you in the next video.